Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today it's finally time for the second service of tequila. I've already got the appointment and the time is around 9:37 or 9:40. I have got the appointment around 10:30. I hope I'll be able to reach there in time. It's already run somewhere around 9,100 kilometers, and I'm facing few of the issues in the bike, so that's why I couldn't ride it from past 2 weeks after the Chikmagalur trip. I'll explain you guys what are the issues on my bike. I hope you'll enjoy this vlog, guys. Keep supporting as always. I'll catch you guys on the bike.
Hey guys, I'm back on the road. So the time is currently 10:01 a.m. and I'm on the way to the service center. This is the second service. It's already run some 9,100 kilometers, and the second service is actually meant to be done when the odo is 10,000, but I thought let me give it now because recently I saw that there is no coolant only in my bike. So that is the reason I did not take my bike anywhere from past 2 weeks. As of now, I have to book the service through a link. So the available slot was today. That is I had to wait a week to get a service slot, and today finally I'm heading towards the service center. Let's hope they'll fill out the coolant and do all other required stuffs. And I'm hearing some new vibrations in my bike. Near this key holder there is some strange vibration coming up. I don't know what is it, so let's check it out, and before that we'll fuel up tequila. Currently I'm near maybe 40 minutes away from the showroom, and it's so hot guys, and traffic is also too much. I'm not sure when I'll reach. Maybe I'll reach in 1 hour. I hope so, because of the morning traffic. Morning obviously people will be going to offices. The traffic is too much. Currently the time is 10:41 a.m. and I'm still on the way. Maybe I'll reach there around 15 to 20 minutes, and I hope it will cost me around 7,000 to 8,000 for the second service. And I'm not sure because the fan is continuously getting on because of the temperature, and there is no coolant. I'm scared if any other thing goes up, maybe the radiator fan or something. So I'll try to reach there as soon as possible and give the bike for service. They'll fill the coolant too, I hope so. I'll update you guys accordingly. And nowadays it's so hot in Bangalore. It's going up to 38 degrees Celsius, so it's very humid. I have few rides planned up in the upcoming months, so let's see how it goes. If it's too hot like this, I'm not sure whether I'll ride or not, because wearing jacket and all the stuffs in this hot summer, it's seriously very difficult, because my Chikmagalur trip was very difficult because of that, because they're sweating always inside the jacket too. And summers, bikers would know how hot it is always. Hey guys, finally the time is 11:09 and I'm reaching the showroom. It's over there. Hopefully I get the bike soon. I'm not sure. Hey guys, I'm back now. Currently I'm done with the second service. The next service is at 19,000 kilometers cause now it's thank you. So next the service is at 19,000 kilometers and I got a bill, an unbelievable bill, because the radiator, the coolant pump had gone up. Yeah, as I said, the coolant pump had gone, it was not working well, so had to change that in warranty. So it got changed in warranty, but for installation alone they charged me like 1.9k. So the total bill for the second service was around 10.7k, and I was shocked cause of it. Extra on the second service, I just paid this 1.9k extra because of the labor cost for the coolant pump. Actually, I saw the bill and I thought that the pump costed 1.9k, which they had said they'll change it under warranty. And then I asked the representative, but he was like, it's just the labor charge, the 1.9k, whatever was in the bill regarding the coolant pump, it was the labor charge, and the actual coolant pump was replaced in warranty. So yeah, obviously BMW, the maintenance and all the parts are like very costlier. I'm heading back home now. The time is currently 4 p.m. and I was waiting in the service center from 11:30 a.m. till now because my house is like pretty far from here. So yeah, now finally I got the bike, I got tequila, and I'm on the way back to my home. Maybe it will take me around 1.5 hours from here. So let's see how it goes, guys. So currently, as of now, I've ridden around 4 kilometers from the service center, and I can feel like the engine has become more smooth after the service. I feel like the power is also increased. Obviously they have changed the spark plugs, they have changed the engine oil, everything. So in BMW, that's the thing, after every 10,000 kilometers they change the spark plug in whatever condition it is. Even if it's good, they do change it. They have done a pretty good job. The vibrations which were coming in the front part near this keyhole, when I asked them, they said that they checked it thoroughly. It was due to the crash guard. The vibrations were coming from the crash guard, but I'm seriously not sure about it because I feel it's from the keyhole only. I can still hear the vibration sometimes a bit. When I go on long rides, it's very difficult. I just get irritated because of the sound, because of the noise. So yeah, let's see. If the noise is too much, then I may go to this place where I install the crash guard and get it like removed and reinstalled again. Let's see if that sorts the issue, or else again I have to come to the service center. And yeah, the traffic is bit in the normal side, but it's seriously very sunny and the heat from the engine is burning my leg. वॉल्यूम कम कर पापा जग जाएगा. So I just met a person who was like really interested in biking, I guess. So he was so cool. He was just asking about my bike and about the service costs and how is it to maintain it. I felt good. I feel so happy when I meet people like these, and he was also so happy seeing me. And yeah, I guess he loves bike. You know, right? Like whatever it is, how much ever old you get, the passion towards, like whatever passion you have, you'll love it. You'll love it more and more. Life is only once, guys, so just live it according to you. Just be happy always. I guess the bus guy banged the car. Yeah, stunted up. Currently, my legs are like barbecued. It's so hot in Bangalore that my engine went up to 101.8 degrees Celsius, and cause of that, my legs are burning. From here, my home is like maybe in 5 to 10 minutes I'll reach. So finally, I'm gonna reach my home. Yeah, I'll just put up the second service bill on the screen as a snapshot, so you guys could see what all they have changed. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. I hope you liked it, and soon I'll be riding somewhere, maybe a one-day trip at least. So I'll put the next vlog very soon. As always, keep smiling, be happy. This is Sachin signing off as of now.